Hi friends, hope you're doing well. This video is going to be very important because in this video I will let you know that 2 days ago Secure Boot has been expired and it is time to recheck your Secure Boot, otherwise you may face different types of problems. So first of all, in order to verify your Secure Boot and how you can do that, how you can update it, I will guide you complete in this video. If you didn't subscribe my channel, kindly subscribe it. So let me show you something that first of all, let me bigger the screen, and after that you need to go into the system information, and once you insert the system information, then you have to make sure that secure boot is on. This is the first thing that needs to be done. And if you check out over here, like secure boot, so secure boot is on. Now we have to check it is operational or not. So in order to do so, you have to go inside the PowerShell. Just go into the PowerShell and run as administrator, and then you have to type this command, confirm secure boot. So this secure boot is true. It means you are up to date. And the second way forward is very simple. I'm going to show you through which no command line will be used in this method, and this method is pretty much simple. That you have to type Windows settings. And once you type Windows settings, inside the Windows settings, you will have device security. So you can see that onto the secure boot, we have a green tick over here. So if you get any triangle yellow symbol over here, it means your secure boot is not active, or it is available, it is on, but it is not up to date and your license has been expired. So you need to update your certificate. Apart from this, in this system, we have green tick over the secure boot, means you are good to go. And now what is the procedure if you are getting the yellow signal over here and you are getting false over the PowerShell? Then the the update procedure is simple. You have to keep your Windows updated. So, so you have to go Windows settings, update, and you have to make sure that your Windows is up to date. You can see that. So first of all, you have to run Windows update in your computer, and after that you have to check out your secure boot verification through the system information. And once it is confirmed that your secure boot is on, then you are good to go, and then you have to verify the certificate. There are two methods which I have shown you already in this video. One is the PowerShell, and the second method is very simple, that you need to go inside the Windows security and you will have complete update regarding your secure boot. So secure boot certificate is expired just 2 days ago in June 2026. So it is very important to check all these things. If you have any query, you can mention in the comment section. I will give you reply as early as possible, and hit the bell icon and kindly share it to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.